Click on the link below to get price. The Firman W01784 Portable Generator is designed for those who seek a reliable power source in various situations. With its compact build and integrated parallel kit, this generator has garnered attention for its versatility and functionality. It operates at a maximum output of 2,100 watts and a rated output of 1,700 watts, which positions it as a suitable option for both recreational and emergency uses. The generator is powered by a 79 cubic centimeters Firman engine, which is designed to provide dependable performance. The engine is not only compact but also quiet, thanks to its innovative design, which can be particularly beneficial when using the generator in residential areas or during camping trips. The inclusion of a recoil start mechanism allows for easy operation, making it user-friendly even for those who may not have extensive experience with generators. In terms of features, the Firman W01784 stands out with its built-in parallel kit. This feature enables users to connect two generators for increased power output, which can be particularly useful for those who have higher energy demands. Additionally, the generator is equipped with two 120V outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and a USB port, allowing for a variety of electronic devices to be powered simultaneously. This range of outlets means that users can easily charge smartphones, power small appliances, or run tools, making it an ideal companion for outdoor activities, tailgating, or situations where grid power is unavailable. The generator is designed with portability in mind. Weighing around 48 pounds, it is relatively lightweight compared to other generators in its class. It also features a compact design, which allows for straightforward transportation and storage. The generator is equipped with a folding handle and sturdy wheels, making it easy to maneuver across different terrains. In conclusion, the Firman W01784 Portable Generator provides a balanced combination of power and portability. Its thoughtful design and practical features make it a versatile option for those who need reliable power, whether for recreational activities or as an emergency backup. By considering the generator's specifications and usability, potential users can make an informed decision based on their individual power needs and usage scenarios.